Hi guys, welcome to UC King Tutorials. My name is Uchenna Kingsley. Today we'll be looking at how to manage your company page admin on LinkedIn. Let us dive into it. So here on your LinkedIn profile, if you go to the home page, then just look at where we have your own profile, personal profile. There you will see any company that's perhaps you're already an admin or you are the owner of the company. So what you need to do is just click on the company's name. Then by the side, just scroll up by the left hand side of the menu. You see settings, click on settings, and then here you have manage admin. So you can manage admins, you can click on it, then you can add admin. Just click on add admin. So you just search on the admin you want to add. So yeah, I'll just search, let me say Cynthia Erondu. Now, every admin has different role. If you want the admin to be a super admin where the person can manage everything on your page, they can do edits, they can manage other admins, you can put them as super admin. But if you just want them to manage your content and they comment and respond to messages and perhaps export some analytics, then you can click on content admin. If you just want it to be just like analyst or depending on what you want. So here we just say content admin, then click on save. Now you have your admin. It's pretty much simple. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and turn on your notification bell so that when we have new videos, you'll be the first to know. Thank you.